Alright guys, so I made a goal, a secret goal of trying to get as much money as I can invested in January so that it can be in the market the longest. I really want to take and get as much money in there, so I'm going to do everything I can to find ways to turn money into something I can invest. And this is something everybody can do, is they can take something they spend money on anyways, or something they do, either instead of spending that money, you can invest that. Or one thing I planned on doing this year is to pick one expense category that you have enough money to cover, and then choose that amount and invest that amount for the month. Alright guys, so we just made it back from returning the pop cans. We ended up with $10.10. So let's see what we can do with that. But first we're gonna cut some wood and listen to some Motley Fool. Man, I'm getting old. I mean, like, these things are like putting in hearing aids. Maybe I should buy stock in a hearing aid company. I'll probably need that when I get older. Alright guys, welcome to the video today. Today we're going to practice a safer way to cut down a tree, if you don't know what you're doing. So in preparation of cutting down a big tree, which I'm not going to cut that tree down, but you get the idea. We're going to try cutting down these partially cut down trees. I just recently purchased my first battery powered chainsaw. It's a Husqvarna 120i. And I have a few trees I need to cut down, but they're really tall and I've never cut down a tree. So I'm gonna practice with this shorter tree. As you can see, it's leaning that way. So I'm gonna practice cutting it down, but I'm gonna really cut it down. you enjoyed that. If you feel like you need to watch a couple more chainsaw videos, there should be some in the sidebar or down below. Thanks for watching.